Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ProPresenter for event video capture and edit step by step clearly. To register with ProPresenter for event video capture and edits, start by visiting the official ProPresenter website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the version that suits your operating system. Download the installation file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install ProPresenter on your system. After installation, launch the ProPresenter application. You will be prompted to either create a new account or log in with an existing one. If you are a first-time user, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Read through the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you agree to the terms, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link from ProPresenter. Click the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Return to the ProPresenter application and log in with your newly created credentials. Next, navigate to the Settings menu within the application. Locate the section labeled Video Capture to configure your capture settings. Adjust the video resolution and frame rate according to your event requirements. Connect any external cameras or audio devices you plan to use for the event. Ensure that ProPresenter recognizes these devices by checking the audio and video settings. Once configured, you can start setting up your presentation for the event. Import any necessary media files, slides, or scripts into ProPresenter. To begin capturing video, select the appropriate output settings for your stream or recording. Double-check that all settings are accurate before starting the event. When you're ready, begin the video capture at the start of your event. After the event, navigate to the Editing section of ProPresenter. Here, you can trim, cut, or enhance your captured video as needed. Export your final video in the desired format once editing is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.